Hey, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I am here with your Tuesday minute, or Tuesday, what the hell am I doing? I'm doing your Tuesday tip in under 2 minutes. There we go. This is your Tuesday tip in under, how long? 2 minutes. Yeah, just keep going. Today's tip is another doozy from your Uncle G. It is the salesperson's job to make the sale, and it is the salesperson's job to create trust. Whether or not the sale happens, it is entirely up to you, not who? Not the customer. That's who. One more time for good measure. It is your job. It is the salesperson's job to make sure the sale happens. It is the salesperson's job to create trust, not the customer's job. It is on you, not them. Whether or not the sale happens, it is totally up to you. How do you get there? How do you get to that place? You got to be training every single day, and you got to debrief every single experience. Know what worked, know what didn't, know what's coming next. Be where the puck is going, not where it was. To read up a little bit more on that, check out Sell It Be Sold and dig into what Grant talks about in The Power of Prediction. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under how long? 2 minutes. Okay, so for more information about our brand new coaching program, head on over to cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching. One more time for good measure, because 3's a charm, right? cardonesolutions.com/coaching, and be great, because nothing else pays.